everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be digging into my latest pieces from Louisa. So good. And my picks from Stitch Fix. All right, so if you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks that just like to hang out in the room with me. If you see a white fuzzy bum, that's Wyatt. Zena is this tan fuzzy bum for here, but she's very excited today. She is part-time, retirement mode, comes and goes as she pleases. So she may start with us, but then she'll probably leave. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so we can keep on doing this. Okay, let's talk Louisa first. How much do I love my Louisa pieces? I have been partnering with them for years now, and they just keep getting better and better. Their jewelry is wear resistant, tarnish resistant, water resistant. They have a 2-year warranty on every single product. Their prices start at $39 in their fashion jewelry and go the whole way up into the expensive. So if you'd like solid gold, they've got it. All the gifts that you need coming up here for Valentine's Day, for birthdays, for anything. But this will be perfect as Valentine's Day gifts. So you might want to tell your significant other, drop them a hint on your favorite pieces, or maybe put them in your cart and tell them to just go check out. But all kinds of pieces, rings, bracelets, necklaces, ear cuffs, earrings, all the things. Let's dig into my picks. So I have 3 of them that I'm going to share with you today. This first up is gold hoops, and they come in this nice little box. You just pull this right out like a little tray. See how they're covered in plastic to keep them protected. Now, I actually have on today a pair of gold hoops from Louisa. This pair is a thinner version. So when I saw they had this thicker version, I grabbed it. They are called the Giulia, I think that's it, large hoop earring. They come in 14 karat gold on brass, which is going to be most of this jewelry. And they have a stainless steel post. They are $65 full price, but Louisa has sales all the time, all the time. Check out the thickness of these. So, so pretty. This is the large. They also come in a medium, which would be a little bit smaller. All right, I'm going to try those on for you, but I first want to get through all my pieces so you can see them. Next up is a ring. This one is called the Whitley. This is so cute. I'm going to take the little tag off so you can see it. I love a good thumb ring. Their sizes come in, this one comes in sizes 5 through 9. It's 14 karat gold on brass, cubic zirconia stones there. Look how pretty that is. Does not go the whole way around. It is nice and thick, but not too thick, because I wanted this for a thumb ring. That's why I picked it. And I'm going to slip this one on for you right away just so you can see that. I love a good thumb ring. And how pretty does that look? So, so cute, right? Yeah, I'm enjoying that. All right, I've got one more. It's $65 is the regular price of that one. Next, I have a necklace to share with you too. This one is called the Everyday Charm Necklace. How pretty is this one? These charms are so pretty. This one is also 14 karat gold on brass, cubic zirconia. I love these little charms, a little bow. Look how cute these are. Little heart. Are those not adorable? This is so cute. Yeah, I really like this. So this one is, I'll give you all the particulars, $95 regular price. The chain goes from 16 to 18 inches, and it is 14 karat gold on brass, as I mentioned, with cubic zirconias. All right, we are going to try these things on with my Stitch Fix so you can see how pretty they look on. I'm guessing Little Miss is going to be leaving us soon, so I wanted to hurry up and show you her. How cute is she? She's adorable. But she sounds like she doesn't want to stick around. She wants to leave. My son is sleeping, so I think she wants to go hang out with him. Okay, I let little miss exit. She's now in bed with my son. I put on all my jewelry. I think I'll be able to show the case the necklace even better once I try on the other clothes, but I did want you to see this. It's so cute. I'm really enjoying this. And my ring, I already put on for you. And then I did put the earring on, one earring, because I'm going to show you what it looks like here before I put the other one on. So it is just a pull out, and then you just snap it closed. So let me put that one, my last one, on here. All right, so now I have both earrings in. All my jewelry is on. I love this, their jewelry. It's just so, so pretty and really does elevate your look without being too over the top. And you can layer these pieces with other pieces you already have, which if you watch my outfit of the day, I do quite frequently. So check those videos out. They post every Sunday. All right, let's dig into my Stitch Fix. I think at this point we all know Stitch Fix. You typically get 5 pieces, keep 5, 25% off, $20 styling fee unless you have the style pass, and they now have the preview, which I love. All of my items came from the preview, and if you pick more than 5 from the preview, they'll send them to you up to 8 items you can now pick on your own from the preview. What? I know, I love that, but you still only have to keep 5 to get the 25% off. All right, so right inside, this is what I see. So I got all my bundles. I have my bag to return anything I don't love and don't want to keep. I have an ad for HelloFresh. They've been popping these in many of the boxes, right? Let me know if you guys have tried HelloFresh. I have not. And then my bundles. Let's do this. I have on a jacket. This jacket today is from a Stitch Fix. So you do get a one-pager, notes from your stylist, as well as a pricing sheet, and then a QR code where you can use that to get ideas of how to wear your pieces. All right, so here's the first 4 items. Neutrals. Looks like I picked all neutrals. I love a good neutral though. All right, so first up, this is so cute. This is from Z Supply, and it is called the Cielo Knit Jacket in Off-White. How adorable is that? So it is sweater material, buttons down the front, little pockets here at the chest. This is so adorable. All right, that's item 1. Next up, this is by Steve Madden, and it is called the Steve Madden Apparel Beckie Cardigan. That's adorable in this nice chocolatey brown. Then I have the Cut from the Cloth Meg, or no, the Cut from the Cloth Kaya High Rise. Kaya. How fun are those? Like the utility pockets, a little bit wider leg, patch pockets in the back. Those are cute. All right, then we have the DL 1961 Taylor Ultra High Rise Crop Barrel. I love that there's designer in here too. A little bit of luxe. That is a wide leg. We'll see how those look. I like the color though. All right. That's going to be an interesting one. We'll see if that works. One more bundle. 2 more items. So I was right. So I got 6. Yeah, I got 6 items in this one. So I have an extra piece. All right. And let's see. Vince Camuto. Remember, I picked all of these from the preview. This is the cross V-neck cozy sweater in off-white. I love the little blue trim. How pretty is that? Is that not adorable? It is very soft. The last couple they sent me had like that pleat down the front, which I wasn't loving. This one doesn't have that. So it does still look to be a little bit oversized, and we'll see what that looks like. And the last item is by We Wander, and it's the Gigi cropped cinched modal fleece sweatshirt. This just looked like a warm one. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I thought it was cute and cozy. Nice for work from home. It's adorable. Very soft. This is very, very soft, and does have that cinching down here at the waist. Very soft. All right. that's my pieces. Let's get to it. Starting with the Vince Camuto sweater, I decided to leave on the jeans I had on to kick off this video so that you could see the blue with the blue, because I think that really makes for a nice look. So this is an oversized sweater. I'm wearing an extra small, and it does have this pretty blue trim around the neck with that little bit of the crossover, as well as at the sleeve. It does not have it at the bottom. So I did a little front tuck. You could do a full tuck. You could leave it out. I think it looks really nice paired with denim. You can see it's longer, so if I show you, this is what it looks like out. Pretty much almost covers the tushy. I prefer it like with a little bit. You could even do a sweater belt and have it look like a full tuck. I think that looks really cute. We'll do a front tuck for now. Give it that shape. It's very soft, very cozy. I'm kind of enjoying this. It's very cute. All right, so this one is called the Vince Camuto Cross V-Neck Cozy Sweater. I'm wearing an extra small, $79. So before we get into this outfit, I want to make sure you guys can see this Ana Luisa necklace close up. So pretty against the skin. It's delicate. It is so adorable. You could easily stack it with any other chain necklaces. So, so pretty. Let me know what you think. And then the ring and the earrings again. So, so pretty. All right. I have on the DL 1961 barrel leg. This is a true barrel. So from the side, it kind of looks like a straighter look. But from the side, or from the front, I should say, you guys can see where it is coming out right here to create that more of a rounded look. These feel like a wide leg on or a boyfriend. They feel very relaxed. They're hitting me at the top of my, or at the, maybe at the bottom of my leg, I should say, top of my foot, bottom of my ankle bone. I'm 5'5" for reference. They're very, very comfortable on. Like if you're looking for relaxed, comfy, easy wear, easy movement, this would be a great pick. I'm not sure how much I love them on me. I'm feeling like they're making me look a little shorter than I am. But they fit really nicely. I have on my normal size, which is a 26. In fact, I have a little bit of room. They are higher rise, hitting me right at my belly button. The color is super nice. Let me know what you think. And then this cardigan from Steve Madden, which is super cute. 3 buttons down the front, chocolate brown. This would be easy to wear open or closed. You could put a little bralette on. Pop a fun belt, maybe like a leopard belt. You could wear it open. Yeah, I think this is a cute outfit. I'm trying to decide how these jeans look on me, so let me know. All right, so the DL 1961 Taylor Ultra High Rise Crop Barrel in khaki. I'm wearing a 2, which is a 26, $229. And the Steve Madden Beckie cardigan, I'm wearing an extra small, $79. Next up, I have the Cut from the Cloth pants on and the Z Supply cardigan sweater. I love this little cardigan sweater. This is adorable. It's hitting right at the waistband of my pants. I did cuff the sleeve to start to style it, but you wouldn't have to. This is what it looks like down. I like a little bit of a cuff. You could probably wear this as a top if you wanted to and just button it the whole way. I kind of like it open, but here's what it would look like if you wanted to keep it closed. So super cute. Let's talk about the pants now. So the pants are very fun. These also have a barrel-ish look to them if I just stand like this. I can't decide if it's the pockets right here or if it actually is the barrel shape, so we'll see what they're calling it. But I think that these are a little less exaggerated than the DL 1961. They're hitting me at about the exact same place. They're equally as comfortable. I like the color. They feel very relaxed and easy to wear. Perfect for all the things. Work from home, shopping, lunch with friends. They would cover it all. The color is really fun to wear now and later as well. All right, so for these, the Z Supply Cielo knit jacket, I'm wearing an extra small, $99. And the cut from the cloth, Kayla High Rise in tan, I'm wearing a 2, $109. And we have one last item. Final item is this We Wander top. It's like a sweatshirt style top. I thought maybe it has thumb holes, but it's not quite. The arm sleeves aren't quite that long. It does have the little drawstring here at the waist, so it gives it that look as if I've tucked it in, but I did not. So nice and comfy, easy. Looks really nice with these pants. I'm feeling very casual and comfy, but I feel like you add a jean jacket, throw on a cute blazer, off-white blazer. You really elevate this look quite a bit. So if you start your day thinking you work from home and all of a sudden you get a call, you got to run in the office, this would be a great outfit to start the day with and throw on whatever the appropriate jacket and shoes are. I wish you guys could feel how soft this is on the inside. It's so soft and yummy. Good. So I really like this. I'm even enjoying the longer wrists here. But you could cuff that if you wanted. So soft. And that is all my pieces, right? All right, this is pretty good. The We Wander Gigi cropped cinched modal top in tan. I'm wearing an extra small, $59 for all 6 of the items, $654, 25% off if you get 5 or more. That would take it down to $490.50. I have the style pass, so I don't have the styling fee. So what do you think the keepers are? I could easily keep this outfit. It's so comfy good. I'm not sure about these, especially for the price tag. Would I get enough wear out of them? Although I was happy to try them. Now I know. I thought this was, while it's not special, I enjoyed the richness of this color, and I feel like it would look really good against clothes like the creams or the whites. So I think this is a really great piece, as well as this one I really enjoyed. And then I liked this. So I haven't been liking as much the Vince Camuto sweaters, but this one I'm enjoying. I love the blue trim. So I could easily keep the other 5, see what the price tag looks like. Otherwise, I think my very favorites are probably the Z Supply, these pants, and maybe even the Vince Camuto sweater. So I'm already probably close to cheaper to go for 5, but we'll see. Otherwise, maybe pick 1 or 2. I will list all these down below in case you'd like to check any of them with your stylist or request any of them or add them to your next preview. I will also put my link to Stitch Fix. If you use my link, you get money towards your first box. And don't forget about these amazing Ana Luisa pieces. Now's the time. It's Valentine's Day. Plan for yourself. Plan for your friends, your mom, your sister, aunts. Like perfect timing to just grab them a piece to let them know you're thinking about them. The sales will be awesome, so check those out. And yeah, I'm so happy I could share these with you. I love Ana Luisa, as I said. If you want to see more pieces, check out my outfit of the day. I wear them quite frequently. So pretty, right? I will put all the information for Ana Luisa down below as well, so you can check out their whole site. Let me know what you thought of these pieces. I'll also list them down below in case you would like to check them out. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.